Good morning and happy Sunday. Today we're heading over to Tigard. Once a month we meet up with a group of friends to go climbing at a rock climbing gym. So this time we're heading off to circuit in Tigard. Let's go.
Do it a third time.
All right, that was a really good climb. We were here probably for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Longer than that, I don't know. I think 2.5 hours. It's always fun to climb and see improvement. I was pretty happy with my climbing today. Got to try some new stuff and felt a lot stronger. So yeah, I think right now we're going to run some errands or head home to relax. So see you later. All right, so we made it home after running some errands. We ended up going to Trader Joe's and got some goodies, but climbing, as I said, was really good. We've been climbing for about 6 months consistently, and we meet with our friends once a month, and it's a super casual type of thing. We just kind of get together. There's people with different levels of climbing. Some are, I would say like pros, like they're really good, and then just others just, beginners or mid-level. I feel that it's just a really fun activity to do, especially here in Oregon. And right now when it's raining, wanting to stay active and being able to just go to a gym and just climb is pretty fun. So we really like it. It's something that we've tried in the past, and I think just more recently we decided to get back into it. So it's really fun. Circuit is really good. There's a couple of other rock climbing gyms here in Portland or in the surrounding areas. They all kind of have their pros and cons. We just like this particular one because we have a punch pass and we can visit any of their gyms, and there's several ones around the Portland area. So yeah, but I was pretty happy with my climbing today, and obviously we didn't get a lot of video of climbing because between setting up and recording while you're actually trying to climb, it's a little bit not complicated, but it just takes time, and we're there to climb, not necessarily to film. But I did want to film this time around, just even a little bit, just to kind of look at my technique and also just record it for my vlog. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.